Rich Dad Poor Dad for Teens, The Secrets About Money That You Don't Learn in School is a book written by Robert Kiyosaki, a personal finance author and speaker. The book is a guide to understanding the principles of personal finance and investing and is specifically tailored to a teenage audience. It provides practical advice and strategies for achieving financial success and is designed to educate teenagers on the skills, mindset, and strategies needed to build wealth. The book covers a wide range of topics, including the importance of financial education, the difference between assets and liabilities, how to invest in assets that generate cash flow, the role of failure in the process of achieving success, and how to manage money and avoid debt. It also includes practical advice on how to budget, save, and invest money, and how to create a financial plan. The book also includes case studies and examples of successful young entrepreneurs and investors, and provides insights into the mindset and strategies of Robert Kiyosaki. It also includes interactive exercises, worksheets, and quizzes to help teenagers to apply the concepts and understand the principles of personal finance and investing. Overall, the book is intended to provide teenagers with a new perspective on personal finance and investing, and to empower them to take control of their financial future and achieve financial freedom. The book aims to help teenagers to understand how to think and act differently about money and to increase their financial IQ by learning how to create wealth and build a better life for themselves and their families.